guys, what's up, man? I get asked this question almost all the time. And why is dentistry so significant in your overall health and wellness? Ever since the pandemic and ever since things that's been going on, what I love about dentistry the most, where medicine treats symptoms for the most part and never treats the cause, dentistry has to treat the cause and then your symptoms go away. So it's almost the most holistic approach in the world to health and wellness. There's no supplement, there's no pill that really takes away the bacteria or things that are in the mouth that are causing the disease. There's no foreign substance going in your body to heal you. I mean, we physically have to remove the bacteria or the disease in your mouth in order for your mouth to heal. So I get asked this question all the time.
Why can't you give me an antibiotic?
Because the bacteria will still be there, because the infection will still be in there.
You notice this even with root canals. Why do 15% of most root canals still fail, especially when there's this huge lesion? Because you can't kill the bacteria. You can cut the blood supply down that's in the tooth and the pain can go away, but you physically can't kill the bacteria. That's why I'm a big proponent of extraction people that need root canals and doing implants. Why? Because I've eliminated the source of infection, which is the tooth. The body can now heal. We can remove the sac or granulation tissue or infection. Your bone reforms. We place an implant, we put it back in. There's also links, which people don't even realize, of root canals to even breast cancer on women. And so there's a whole different approach that we could even go into and dive into because you're not eliminating the bacteria or disease in the body. So dentistry, from a health and wellness point of view, we are the first, stopping zone, if you will, to your overall health. If you suffer from dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cardiovascular disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, we can directly control, even in diabetes, we can control someone's A1C by just getting a cleaning 3 times a year. And what I want you to realize when it comes to dentistry, and I share this analogy because maybe it's because I'm from Flint or GM Town, but dentistry, the cleaning and oral hygiene, or the cleaning as a hygienist, is the oil change for the body. No different than you get an oil change in your car to get rid of all the sludge and crud that's in your gasoline or your oil, You're getting rid of all the crud that's in your mouth, which allows your immune system to function at its highest capacity. There's only so many openings in the body. You have your anus, your ears, your nose, and your mouth. That's it. So we can help control source of infection by just getting regular cleanings. Yeah, I know. Of course, if you eliminate, sugars and stuff, even that is a myth when it comes to causing cavities. It's not really the sugar that causes cavities. It's the sugar mixed with acid that causes cavities. The one thing I said to my children and even my patients, I'm getting a little bit off on a tangent because we're a holistic approach to medicine, but why is Gatorade? Why is juice? Why are energy drinks so bad other than having, energy drinks having 700 times the amount of caffeine? It's really the acidity that's in all this. If you don't want to get any cavities, you don't drink that stuff, right? I promise you could eat sugar and you might get diabetes, you might get glaucoma, you might get other things. You will not get a cavity. More than likely not. It's the combination of the acid and the cavity. But I digress. If you're looking for the most holistic approach to your health, other than having a really clean diet, if you're looking for a way where you truly can become healthy without taking supplements or a bunch of pills to make you feel better, that they mask all these symptoms, which they don't even treat the cause. Why dentistry is so powerful is because dentistry has to eliminate the cause of the problem, therefore the symptoms go away. Medicine, unfortunately, treats the symptom and never alleviates the cause most of the time. They mask it. So to me, dentistry should be your first line of defense. Dentistry is the one thing you should never avoid. Dentistry is the one thing that truly is the most holistic approach to health and wellness that you can ever come in contact with. That's why being a dentist is cool. And that's why if you go to a dentist and you go regularly, you should feel good about yourself because it is the number one thing that is the best outcome for your body without injecting a bunch of drugs and medications. Hope this helps. Talk soon. Have a great day.